Everybody, welcome back. Thanks for tuning into the channel again. If you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, go check out some of the older videos. If you're not new to the channel, thanks for stopping by again and checking out this one. As you can see, today we're out here in the dark because recently I've had a few questions about the car and the ambient lighting in here. People want to see how it works, what it looks like, if it works, and all that. Maybe you're adding aftermarket ambient lighting into your car or something along those lines. But for this video, we're using the Mustang here. I'll show you how you find it in the dash and what colors it comes with and how exactly it all works. So we'll flip you around, show you how it all works, how it looks, and hopefully you guys enjoy. All right, so we are in my 2019 Mustang GT here. If you're new to the channel, we do have the digital dash. It's a performance pack car, digital dash. It's a couple of the options I've got. So everything for the ambient lighting is controlled in here. And if you're wondering, you'll get your door handles here light up. You can see right now we have it on this ice blue. You can see it here. By your feet, you can see through the steering wheel here, both sides, driver and passenger. Other door handle here, your cup holders, also the ring of light around there. And also if you open up the door, your Mustang. So first things first, we'll turn off the light so you guys can see. To go in here, hit the little pony here. You can see it'll come up. Everything is controlled right up here, okay, and your up and down arrows. So go to my color, click on it, ambient lighting, you can see it there. Then if you just want it off, click it, you can see off. If I hit it again, it comes back on. Same thing down by your feet. You can see the pedals are glowing. Off, everything goes black, back on, everything is on. Second option you get in here, go down to dim. Right now I have it in high. So same thing, you can see the door handle pretty bright. Put it to low and it just dims it, not a bunch, but I notice for sure driving around as well, just a little bit between high and low makes a big difference, especially if you're really dark areas where there's no street lights or anything. It can get a little bit bright, especially like what I have it set on now is a brighter color. So to be able to just dim it that little bit works out pretty well. You can see on the pedals as well, that's low now. If we go up to high, she is quite a bit brighter. And then next on the list, go down, ambient color. You can see ice blue, white, green, purple, blue, orange, and red. And then my color, 1, 2, and 3 are colors that you can choose yourself on a little spectrum. I'll show you how to do that at the end. But like I said, right now we have it on ice blue. So I will set up the camera here somewhere where you guys can see all the different colors, and we'll go through what each one looks like, and then I'll show you how to make your own my color. All right, so first one, ice blue. This is what we had it set on the original one. You can maybe see it a little bit down there. I know the camera doesn't really like to pick up the floor. And your door handle on the passenger side. So next we have white. So you click it, you can see your cup holders go to a nice bright white. Door handle as well. And of course, white being so bright, you can see it a lot better on the floor over there, along with our driver's side. Next up, go down, is green. You can see, same thing, nice and green. Shows up a little less on the passenger side because it is a darker color, but your cup holders, nice and green, along with the door handles. And like I mentioned before, open it up, and now Mustang is green. We'll keep going. Next one on the list, purple. You can see on the camera it shows up pretty blue, but it's a bright purple. It's not like a dark purple. It's more almost like a pink in my opinion. You can see down on the pedals as well, everything lights up purple. Next on the list, we will go to blue. This is my favorite color that's come pre-programmed on the car. It's a nice dark blue. You can see, shows up on there. Your cup holders again, nice and blue. And your pedals down below. Next on the list, orange. Orange I find to be kind of weird. It's more of like an off yellow. It probably shows up more orange in the video here than it does in real life, but it's more of a yellow in my opinion. But they have orange pre-programmed again, and then last but not least is red. Red looks pretty cool. Can't go wrong. Nice and dark. It's a solid color. Camera won't focus on that side for you guys for some reason, but cup holders, nice and dark red, along with downstairs. And of course, the Mustang on your sill there is now red. Thing to keep in mind, there is other colors. As you can see, the ring around the Speedo is purple, and then like your fuel here and these gauges up top are red. You can change that, but that is not with the ambient lighting. Ambient lighting is just the 2 footwells, cup holders, door handles, and the Mustang sign on passenger and driver door. But if you want to go back, you can change those. That would be your primary and secondary colors. And then last but not least, like I said, the create my color. That is what you see in the my color section. Go to create my color. Same thing, everything's controlled here. Hit OK. You got 3. That's your 1, 2, and 3. And then to change it, just your up and down arrows. So you can see right now we're on number 1. Let's pick a color that's not really in the programmed ones. We'll go to darker pink for number 1. Hit OK. It'll bump over to part 2. Let's go down. We will make more of a lime green instead of a dark green, like a lime green. So same thing, hit OK. Third one, let's go, I don't know, more of a bright yellow here, or medium yellow, bright yellow. This is white, obviously. I know it's probably not showing up in the camera properly what colors these are, just because it's so bright and the camera's up close. But this one is yellow. So now we have those 3 set. Go back, can go to ambient lighting, go to your color again. Now my color, number 1, you can see will be our pink that we made. So everything now is the color that you chose. So that will go pink. And my color 2, that's that lime green that we made. So you can see it's a lot different than the other green, as well as down below. And last but not least, my color 3 was that yellow. So it goes to a kind of an off yellow. I find the colors in here don't really have a solid yellow. That's what I mean. That orange was closer to a yellow than the actual yellow in the system. But that is as easy as it gets. And of course, when you create my own color, down below as well, all changes with the ambient lighting, and it's as easy as that. You just flick through the little gauge here, and like I said, if you're driving, it's bugging you, just hit it off, and you're just like every normal car without the lighting, and go cruise around. And when you want it back on, easy as that, hit OK, and there you go. She's all back up and running. And there you have it, guys. Just a quick little rundown of how the ambient lighting works in here. Like I said, a few people were asking questions, so hopefully this helps you out. And if you're having trouble figuring it out, like I said, it's easy peasy. Go in the dash, up and down. I know if you don't have the digital dash, it is the same controls, but it'll be in that little screen in between your TAC and Speedo. So you just same thing, scroll up and down, find the part that you need, and then pick a color, pick your, or make a color, pick a color, whatever you want to do. They also have the dim and high and low feature, so it is all the same whether you have the digital dash in your Mustang or not. But for me, I do, so it's a little bit simpler. But other than that, you should be all set to go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, thumbs up and subscribe. We got lots more coming up, and hopefully we catch you guys all in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.